Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, we're going to get a little bit philosophical. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Thoreau said he went into the woods to live because he wanted to live deliberately. He wanted to actually know that it was him making decisions and him making the calls and understand if he could do it. Could he survive on his own? How many of you could survive on your own? You ever thought about that? Could you survive without a job? Could you survive if things went haywire? Could you survive if your job went away? If some of your family went away? What would happen? You got to think about that. Can you actually deliberately survive on your own? He wrote about many things, like you don't want to wind up at the end of your life and find that you haven't actually lived. And so when I've talked about erring on the side of action and getting out there and doing things, and Thoreau summed that up as sucking the marrow out of life. I mean, literally, the marrow inside the bone and eating that bone down, there's absolutely nothing there. So much so that you even want the marrow right out of the center of it, because you don't want to have life pass you by and not have done anything. And it's the same thing in your business. What is it that you want to do in your business? Are you going to get around to doing it? Or are you going to let time pass you by and your business pass you by and the opportunity pass you by? I hear from a lot of people who say, hey, Tom, I would have done it had it been 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Wish I would have done that when I was a younger man. Wish I would have done that when I was a younger woman. Well, you still have time. You're not finished yet. Why do you think you're finished? Why do you think you're done? I've seen people, and I've had students at every age start this. You can start it in your 70s. You can start it in your 60s and your 50s and your 40s. Sure. You have to decide that you want to. That's the major difference, is wanting to do it and then moving ahead and making it happen. It's almost been a recurring theme in my emails, my writings, my books, my videos, that are you getting the most out of life? Or do you just tend to skip it or lie around and do nothing or let life pass you by, and then you're going to wonder when you're old? So yes, another video on the philosophical side of business and the philosophical side of real estate investing and entrepreneurship, but you got to be philosophical sometimes. I think it's a major problem quite often, is when people flat out aren't philosophical anymore. If you're not running your life and being guided by a philosophy, but a strong philosophy, then you're just going to go kind of wayward and drift off into nothingness. But focus on what it is that you want and then go out and make it happen. That almost sounds like a cliche now. Probably is a cliche now, but you still got to do it. You got to focus in, say, this is what I want and I'm going to go do it. You got to go suck the marrow out of the bone and make it happen. Err on the side of action. That's when things happen. Otherwise, you'll get old. We know that's going to happen. You're going to die. We know that's going to happen. And what will you be able to look back on and say that you actually did? A lot of people are going to say, Tom, we want the hard facts. These videos are soft and a little crazy. We don't want to hear the philosophy end of it. Give us the hard facts. There's always that crowd that wants, nothing but the hard facts. Well, you know what, gang? Yeah, hard facts aren't going to do you any good. It's like tactics don't do you any good without strategy. Those hard facts and the teaching, those aren't going to do you any good if you don't have an underlying philosophy. It all has to be underpinned by a strong, solid philosophy, and that's what I'm telling you to have in life and in business. Err on the side of action. Make sure you are sucking the marrow out of life to make sure you get the most out of it. That's how you'll wind up with a fantastic business, and that's how you'll wind up with a fantastic life. If you don't do it, you're just going to skate right on through like so many other people. They just go along to get along, and they never really take command or control of what they're after. But then they'll always be full of regret. Oh, I wish I would have done this, and I could have done this, and I could have done that. Really? Well, then if you could have, why didn't you? Because maybe you would have never been able to. You don't know until you take the action to find out. Can you yourself indeed truly do it? There's only one way to find out. Let's get out there and do it. Do it. If you don't do it, you'll forever wonder. When you do it, you'll know whether or not you actually could. That changes you either way. Changes you for the better, a lot better, because you know not just in your heart, in your mind, from reality that you were actually able to do it. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the message, got something out of it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or click like if you're watching on Facebook, and share it with somebody else. And if you're watching via email on YouTube, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notify bell to make sure you'll be notified when I put out more great videos. It's Tom Zeeb for Traction Real Estate Mentors from Walden Pond in Massachusetts, signing off.